I'm thinking where to sit to eat, guys. I don't know if we can find a place because this one is for another place, so I don't know where to sit. Alright, guys, we took. Look at this, a big bag. Now we need to find somewhere to sit. I guess there are some places there to sit and eat. First thing first, guys, we're gonna disinfect a bit our hand. I took two things, guys. One sweet with the cherries and the other one is like a hot dog. Okay, looks good. Is with the, how do you say, Würstel in English? Wow, I could live with this actually. There is the cheese and the ham inside and it's hot. For all of these I paid 15 lei, something like this, 15, 16, like 3.8 USD. Pretty good. I'm eating the second one, guys, the sweet one with the cherry marmalade. It's so good. If you come to Romania, if you are on a budget as well, this food, these chains, LUCA, I think is the most popular here, will save you big time. It's good, it's cheap, it's amazing. 10 out of 10. So good, guys. I ate it in like 60 seconds. It was super good. And I was not super hungry. Just to tell you how good. Probably not the best for, not the most, not the healthiest one, but really tasty, definitely. Now we need to buy some water, and we're gonna go to the supermarket, of course, because super hot. Because I didn't feel very well last night with my gut. We need to hydrate, guys. The gentleman is making traditional Turkish coffee, guys. Look how nice. You remember this in Istanbul? Alright, supermarket is here. This one is open, it's closed, guys. So we need to go in the other one. Is here the entrance, I guess. Okay, there is a big queue, so we have to wait a bit to pay. But I don't see the water. Where is the water? Water is here. Wow, at the end of the world. God. So guys, Azuga, by the way, is the city close by here. We passed by train. I saw it when we came here. Let's go. Self-check-in. Super fast. Don't need to wait. It's overcrowded here, guys. I don't have space to drink. Papanashi, we're gonna eat this today, I think, guys. Well, we already ate something sweet. I don't know. I need to watch out the sugar, guys. I think we will anyway. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we feel. I remember that guy told me there is a place to go up and there is an amazing view, but I don't remember the name and I don't remember how to get there. So I'm thinking to ask to someone local, because I think the view, as far as they told me, I never been there actually, is amazing. Alright, let's see who is local here. I guess someone from the market, right? And if you speak Romanian, I think, because, you know, I'm trying to force myself to say some words, etc. I think it's easier for them to indicate me. Bună dimineața! Ești de aici? Da. Sto facendo un YouTube video. O întrebare. Ai altceva cu panorama, m-am zis, nu?
Panorama, da, panorama e sus.
Ai altceva aici? Da, pe acolo? Alright, guys, you heard. He told me some places there. I guess we can go straight there. This is the heart, this place of Brasov. You know, this city is, I think, is one of those cities that you gotta discover by yourself, because there are hidden corners, hidden gems, you know, like that restaurant. I didn't know about it. I just walked past by. I got in like 2 years ago, and it was fantastic, really amazing. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go straight and we're gonna explore. No direction whatsoever. Alright, amici miei, now we will try to go to the Dracula castle, because it's like 30 kilometers from here, pretty close. It's a pretty touristic zone, as you can imagine. It will take 40-45 minutes. We need to go to the auto garage, where is the mini bus station here in Brasov, and from there we will take the mini bus and we will go to Bran. Hopefully. I don't know if we need cash, if we can pay with card. I do not have cash as always, unfortunately, so I hope we can pay with card. Anyway, first thing is to call the bolt to get in the autogara. So, center of Brasov, you go to autogara 2 minibus station, and then from there you take the minibus and you go to the Dracula castle, the Bran castle. Where is this guy? What an adventure. Nothing planned. Mitsubishi Space Star. Ah, he's there. Oh my god, he's on the other side, this guy. He's there. How do I cross now? I have to cross all the way. Bună! Autogara 2, da? Sunt Mario. Ai minibus pentru Bran aici, nu? Acolo. Nu știu. Alright guys, we are in the bus now. We're gonna go to take the minibus. I hope it is open and that we can pay with card, as I was saying. It's really heavy. I don't know. Let's see. Oof, we arrived guys. Let's go and see if there is the bus to Bran now. Oh boy, I have to ask here. I don't know where it is. I think there is a stadium there, guys. You hear? They're playing. Wow. I think it's this one. Pentru Bran? Cam departe? Mulțumesc. Can't believe we meet these guys. I didn't plan to go to Dracula Castle. Super happy. Super comfortable. We paid 13 lei, guys. 2.7 USD, something like this. Forgot to ask when is the bus to come back, guys. We sat just right close to the music here. I have to ask after when is the bus to come back. Guys, I saw the name of the city. I hope it's the right one. We took the right bus. I don't know. I'm not sure really. I really hope we didn't get in the wrong bus. But I see a lot of tourists, so should be the right one. Just departed, guys. Look forward to arrive already. It's very hot inside here. Amici miei, there is the traffic. We are stuck in traffic. I don't know when we're gonna arrive. Look there. I don't know. I hope we arrive soon, really. I think we arrived, guys. Let's try to get off now when the gentleman stops the bus. It's full of tourists already. Full of people today. Well, here not so many, but you will see. Let's get out. Can't breathe, guys. Super hot. Ioan, unde e autobus pentru Brașov? Aici? La de frunte? Mulțumesc. Out, guys. Finally, my feet hurt already. Now we're gonna go straight. Now, look how many tourists here. Look how many restaurants, hotel, street food. Casa Miruna and Norris. This I think is a hotel. There is a supermarket here. Super full. Much more crowded than Brasov. Well, I guess Brasov is just a city, you know, to go through. And then people, of course, come here for Dracula. I'm excited, actually. It's been, I told you, 2 years. I don't come here in that place, in that market. There is a market there. There is the castle that you will see up there. Right there. Let's go. Straight and then on the right. Alright, look at this, guys. I remember this market, but I don't remember so many people when I came in winter. Yeah, look, these are all handmade, I think, and everything is with Dracula, of course, because this is the place of Dracula, apparently. I will tell you after why. Look how nice is this to put some things, you know, and the thing to drink coffee, the jar it's called? Mug. T-shirts with Transylvania, because we are in Transylvania, guys. And this I think is full. Not the right period, we are in August, so look how many souvenirs. And it's covered, nice, because it will be super hot here too if it wouldn't be covered. Here actually is warmer than Brasov, I don't know why. Probably Brasov is slightly higher. Look how nice these things. I love these traditional clothes. Very nice for kids, for women, for men. This I don't know what it is, like a scarf, I guess. Really nice, the motive, how do you call the design? Salut. Opa, I was falling, guys. Really, when you got so many things to choose from, there is like a when there is like a psychological thing, you know, when you got so many things to choose from, it's harder to choose when you got a lot of choices. I don't know if you understood. Look how nice are these. You see, you come here, you buy souvenirs. The majority of these things are handmade, so the value of it skyrockets. Is normal, of course, because if it's handmade, takes time, is unique. So yeah, really nice things. Look at the t-shirts here. Thinking actually to buy one as a souvenir. What do you think? The castle, where is the castle? I don't know. I guess it's this way. Well, everyone is here. I think the castle is here, right? It's not this one, I guess. And here you got some more other things to eat, drink, and other souvenirs. Very nice. Look at this. Look at the colors of this. That's what I need actually now, guys. To not get burned in my head. What is this? Like a museum? Haunted castle. And here I guess is the end of the market. I'm mesmerized actually. So many things, so many people, so many tourists. Ce asta? Pentru tavolo? Ah,
Poți să gătești?
da, pot.
E universal? Tu trebuie short.
Dar n-am nevoie, că îmi place să gătesc de afară.
Păi da.
Da. Ce ai, suvenir aici?
Da.
3 euro, 15 lei, ok.
Yes.
Guys, I'm so undecisive, you know, when it comes to these things, really, I don't know what to choose from. This one, guys, look how nice. Pentru frigorifer, nu? Da. Cu magnet. Punga mică?
Normal. Ești român?
Oh, sono italiano. Mulțumesc, mulțumesc. Good, guys. First souvenir for the fridge. Now, let me put it in the bag because I don't want to go around like this. Acolo, direct. Mulțumesc. So, straight the castle, guys. And here, what is here? Muzeul Satului. It's like the museum of the, like for people, I don't know, this Satului, I don't remember what it means actually. Oh, it smells like corn here, I love it. Look how nice. I grow up with this, guys. Love it. It's a taste of my childhood. Alright, let me put the souvenir back. Otherwise, I don't have space. Look at this stand. It's all everything sweet here. And there are cakes I never saw in my life. Albinica, which is like, what's the name? B. Albina is B, if I remember good. So probably from the color. Dobosh, never seen. That looks like a buffer, griliaș. Sunt de Transilvania asta, nu, nimic n-am văzut. Albinița, Daboș, de unde?
Sunt tradiționale românești.
I said that I never saw in Bucharest, guys. I thought it was from Transylvania. So here, yeah, people come, they sit. There is like a old house there, or farm where the animals were staying. It's nice, I think, here to do like a barbecue. I heard someone talking about barbecue actually. To put the barbecue there, you come with your family, with your friends, girlfriend, and you eat. Nice. Let's go back now. Let's try to see if we can get closer to the castle, because the castle apparently is just right there. And in the meantime, tell me, guys, write in the comment if you see a coffee shop, because I desperately need another coffee. I was sleeping in the bus. Took ages that bus because there was traffic to come here. So really it took, instead of 40-45 minutes, it took like 1 hour and more, you know, and super hot inside, my god. But yeah, adventures. We love adventures, guys. I think the entrance is here, but there are like guided tours. I don't know if we can get in direct. You see, we need to wait the queue, and I don't feel. But this here is the castle of Dracula. Look how many nice t-shirts. Wow. But my favorites are always this one, guys. Really love like traditional clothes. Everywhere I go, I love traditional clothes. I love history, and these clothes represent the history of this country. Highly suggested to come here, guys. So you can see you have been to Dracula's castle. Imagine how full it is on Halloween. Wow. If it's full like this now, imagine in 31st of October. What is this? We can get in here? Let's see what they have here. Other shops, I guess. Paintings. Really, really nice. And there is the museum. But here, there are shops. Magnets. I don't feel to go there, guys. Super dark. But I have heard very good things. So if you come here, just go in.